Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Sabayon Linux on your VirtualBox. I got this 64-bit version of it. The OS was released just a few hours ago, and I downloaded the 64-bit version. It is around 1.6 GB. I downloaded the 64-bit version with GNOME, and you can see the changelog at the site itself. You can see the changelog here at the Sabayon home. So I won't be reviewing it, and here's a screenshot of the XCFE desktop. So I don't want it. I downloaded the GNOME version. So I'm gonna quickly create a new virtual machine and gonna get started with it. Delete all files. Okay. I'm gonna create a new virtual machine. Sabayon Linux _ 64-bit. It's always it is based on Gen 2, so it will be of Gen 2 64-bit. So I'm gonna select the base memory as 8000 MB or 8 GB. I will create a new virtual hard disk. I'll give it around 40 GB, and I'm gonna create a new virtual hard disk also. I'm gonna increase the CPU cores here, making it a quad-core virtual machine as I always do. And I will increase the video graphics memory to 100 MB. Now I'm gonna start the virtual machine, and I'm gonna select the ISO file I just downloaded. Here's our ISO file I just downloaded: Sabayon Linux 40.05 AMD 64 GNOME.iso. Okay, I'm gonna select it, and now I'm gonna start this. Let me switch to full screen. Okay, so get the options of a lot of options. You get the option of start Sabayon GNOME. You get 3 options of installation. You get the option of safe mode, console mode no splash test disk for no for defects. You can always check the disk for defects if there are any, and else if everything is fine, then you can go with the second option here, which is the installation, and quickly press enter. Now wait for the installation screen to appear, and I'm gonna set up it very fast, and let's see what we get to see here. So wait for the installation screen to appear. So here we are. You get the 2 options of language support and the font support. I don't want any language other than English, and I don't want any extra fantabulous fonts here. So I'm gonna press next. Okay, I'm gonna press next, and you get the 2 options of here. What type of devices will your installation involve? I will select basic storage devices because I use a hard disk. I've given a partition of hard disk and not a virtual pen drive. So the specialized storage devices is for the for the disks you want to install, like pen drive or any other DVD or CD. So that's not mandatory. I'll go with the first option only, and yeah, it's fine. Reinitialize all. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna give my host name as Aniket. Yeah, I will enable firewall. Okay, that's fine. Aniket. I live in Delhi, India, and it's taking a lot of time. ABCD. So I live in India, so I'm gonna select my region here, but it's not available at the moment. That's AG. Well, that's ridiculous. Let me go up and see if there are any options available. JKI. Now I don't have any option of my city. Okay, let's skip it. I'll press next. Let me give it my root password. So I gave my root password. Okay, I'm gonna give my username. Aniket Lama is my full name. My password. I'm done with setting up my account. Use anyway. Okay, that's fine. Okay, replace existing Linux systems. Yeah, replace all. I get five options here. You can use all space, and it will remove all the partitions you have done to your disk. So basically it will format your disk. You can replace a Linux system, and you can check the current system to avoid to minimize the space. You can dual boot it. You can use the remaining space available on your computer to install this OS, or maybe you can create your own custom layout and manage your own type of installation you want. So I'll going with the second option here, replace existing Linux systems. Next. Yeah, it's giving you the format of your partition, the way it will partition your hard disk. Yeah, that's fine. Next. Format, write changes to disk, so it will do the changes accordingly. Install bootloader on device G. Yeah, fine. No need to use any passwords. I'll go with next. And now I'll wait for the installation to be completed, and I will come back when the installation is completed. So it will take some time, so I'm gonna quickly come back and see what's the status. Okay, I guess we have finished installing this OS. I'm gonna quickly reboot now, and let's see what we get. The heck is happening, dude? Okay, so the installation is now completed, and okay, I'm gonna reboot now. Okay, so I'm gonna start the Sabayon 4105 GNOME. So let's see what we get after it boots up. You can check out my review video in the next. So you get this type of OS here, with a new look, and I guess it is based on Fedora 20. It is based on GNOME actually, but the launcher used in this OS is GNOME. You get a variety of not a variety, I guess you get around 4 to 5 options of user interfaces. Yeah, for around 4 to 5 options, so you can choose between them. You can choose XCFE, you can choose GNOME, you can choose between 2 or 3 more. I don't remember the names. So okay, you can check out my next video for the review. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to rate, comment and subscribe. You can like my video if you want more. You can subscribe to my channel. Peace.